guys, my name is Glenda Hanson, otherwise known as G in the BBAD world. What is BBAD Hip Hop? Well, BBAD Hip Hop is a new dance fitness group class, hopefully coming to an area soon, really near you. You can check out a class. It's all the top 40 music, really easy to follow moves, and the best and most fun part about it is you get to be bad. Isn't it exhausting being good all day? We try to be good moms, we try to be good wives, we try to be good neighbors, and for 60 minutes I want you to walk into one of our BBAD Hip Hop classes, get rid of that smile, be tough, find an alter ego, give yourself a tough nickname. Mine's G. We got K-Dog with us, we got Sister K. All of our instructors have a lot of fun engaging you, helping you find some friendships. You're going to find a passion with BBAD Hip Hop that you're not going to find anywhere else. So subscribe to our YouTube channel, follow us regularly, look for clips from classes, performances, flash mobs, be looking for more information about BBAD Hip Hop expanding, and maybe you might just be a BBAD Hip Hop instructor someday. We'd love to have you join the family. Stay tuned, come back, and we'll see you again.